दो ख़ास मेहमान हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। पार्थ शाह हैं, जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं नेशनल इंडिपेंडेंट स्कूल अलायंस के, और विशाल तलरेजा भी हैं, co-founder Dream a Dream के. Thank you so much, Vishal, for joining, and your organization Dream a Dream itself is so beautiful, the name, and I'm sure many dreams have come true. Tell us a little bit more about your organization and how it's been working on field.
Sure. Thank you for inviting me. Dream a Dream has been working with children and young people from vulnerable backgrounds, focused on helping them build life skills and social emotional competencies exactly to deal with this kind of uncertainty that we are seeing in the world right now. The pandemic has been a wake-up call, and the life skills program that we've been running for young people have helped them build capacities to respond and thrive in these uncertain times. We work with about 1 million children across the country through partnerships with state governments, helping them build the capacities to deal with uncertainty, complexity, and changes in the future.
Vishal, the challenge of ensuring children continue to get a good education, now that's a global challenge. What's being done in other countries, towards trying to figure this out? Is there something we could actually emulate here, or perhaps, learn some lessons from outside?
Absolutely. I think one of the key aspects is how we could prioritize education itself. If you've seen the way countries have responded, for example, some countries have created pay package guarantees where schools or small non-profits can apply to governments for protecting salaries of their staff, of their teachers and educators. And I feel that, especially for the affordable school market, who has struggled to pay salaries of teachers and keep them on the rolls, this could be a great initiative. The second important initiative that we've seen many good countries like Finland, Estonia, New Zealand have focused on is how have we used this pandemic to focus on the well-being and social emotional competencies and mental health of the children. So not just looking at the learning loss, but really looking at the children are going through a period of high anxiety, high stress, confusion, lack of understanding of what's happening around them. In our own surveys, we saw children reaching out to us and saying, I'm scared, will my parents die because of this pandemic, and what will happen to me and my siblings when this happens? So a conscious investment in well-being, mental health and emotional health of children is something that we need to prioritize more than the learning loss. The third piece is, how do we help children reintegrate? Now, as they come back into school environments, whether it's virtual or physical school environments, a big challenge for children would be that one is they've lost an entire year of learning, but they've also lost an entire year of connections and relationships. And children need to reconnect with themselves, reconnect with their friends and peers, reconnect with their teachers, and reconnect with the world around them. So how do we train teachers on one, help children heal out of the trauma that they've experienced and create meaning of how they can now move forward in this world? And these are the three initiatives I think have been very powerful to help children reintegrate into learning ecosystems.